Once upon a time, in a small village, nestled between rolling hills and a babbling brook, there was a magical garden. This garden was unlike any other, for it was filled with flowers that shimmered like stars and trees that whispered secrets in the breeze. In this garden lived a kind old gardener named Mr. Green. Every day, Mr. Green would tend to his garden with loving care. He would water the flowers, prune the bushes, and sing songs to the birds that nested in the branches. His garden was his pride and joy, and he would often invite the villagers to come and marvel at its beauty. One sunny morning, a curious young girl named Emily wandered into the garden. She had heard tales of its magic and wanted to see it for herself. As she stepped through the wrought iron gate, she gasped in amazement at the sight before her. The flowers shimmered in hues of pink, blue, and gold, their petals sparkling like jewels. The trees rustled their leaves in greeting, and colorful butterflies flitted about, leaving trails of glittering dust in their wake. Emily wandered deeper into the garden, enchanted by its beauty. She came upon a small pond with water so clear she could see fish swimming beneath the surface. On the edge of the pond stood a graceful swan, its feathers as white as snow. "Hello there," said the swan, turning its head to look at Emily with bright eyes. "Hello," Emily replied, surprised to hear the swan speak. "I am Luna, the guardian of this magical garden," the swan introduced herself. "What brings you here, young one?" "I heard about this garden and its wonders," Emily explained. "I wanted to see it for myself." "Well, you are welcome here," Luna said with a gentle smile. "But remember, with magic comes responsibility. Promise me you will always respect the creatures and plants that call this garden home." "I promise," Emily vowed, feeling a sense of reverence for the magical place. From that day on, Emily visited the garden regularly. She helped Mr. Green tend to the flowers, listened to the trees' whispered wisdom, and danced with the butterflies in the meadow. As she grew older, Emily became known as the guardian of the magic garden, just like Luna before her. The garden flourished under her care, and people from far and wide would come to bask in its enchanting beauty. And so, the magic garden remained a place of wonder and joy for generations to come, thanks to the love and respect of those who tended to it with gentle hearts.